Look, Tika, don't wreck this truck.
Tika, this is a...
Look, she's up to wait a minute.
Hold on.
It ain't start, guys.
What?
It ain't start you.
Queen,
What you mean?
That's a stubborn is quick.
Oh yeah, it is quick, but it...
Oh, there you go.
Oh, there you go. Oh.
Tika, look.
I ain't gonna turn around.
You can't turn around.
I'm talking about.
Put your seatbelt on.
Put your seatbelt on. You gonna beep, beep, beep. But both, yeah, go ahead, Tika.
Tika, I got to drive it somewhere. I got to drive it back. You ain't never drove any boogie.
Tika, your mirror's good?
I drove a couple times.
Alright, you good. Go ahead.
Do I need the bag up again?
Nah, just turn it to the left. You should be good.
Just put it in drive.
Yeah.
Tika, okay, Queen. Tika, you ask another question and we gonna put you on
She said, ooh.
How do I sit up a little bit easier?
Oh, hold on. You can stop real quick. And it's on the side down there. It's two.
That's what I need.
There you go. To raise up. Yeah, there you go. So you can see over the hood.
Oh, goodness, this is so funny. That Queen video you see.
I have video.
It's so big. Oh my God. It's so big.
Feel like we just.
It's like we slide and it's so big. I love it, this truck. Oh my God.
Oh, that's funny.
How you feel, Tika?
I'm scared.
You scared? Oh, girl. Yeah, so the turning, you got to turn a little. The turning rate is different.
Yeah.
So you got to sway like.
It look like I'm too big to go through this.
Tika, you ain't too big. Don't touch nobody's stuff.
Oh, watch out. Dog play.
Look good.
Hey, bus right.
Go ahead, go left.
Highway. Don't
Go left?
Highway.
Yeah, you don't want to go to the highway?
No.
Boogie said go right.
Really?
You don't want to go left?
What's
She said
left?
The street.
I'm glad I never been left. Okay. Because I don't wake up. You
Look,
okay?
Hey, man, let me drive, man.
Boogie, you already. Boogie already.
Boogie ain't drove yet either.
Oh shit!
He ain't drove with all the stuff on
That's why he talking noise.
That's why.
I would put it the little what's it called for. Go ahead, you good.
What?
It's just a little faster.
Don't put me in.
It's a little more sensitive.
Which way we go now?
To the right, back to Mom, yeah.
This is so funny. Oh my goodness. Quinn said, don't break my truck, Tika. Break my truck.
It'll be a good video.
I know it won't, Quinn.
All right, Tika, you make it right. Give it some gas. Wait, he's go right.
Quinn said, make it right. Get it again.
Give it a little gas, Tika.
gas.
Once you get straight it up first, then give it some gas.
Woo! Yeah, that's enough. That's enough. Right there, Tika.
Turn to the left.
Right there.
Give some gas. Give some gas. Floor. Always.
Oh my goodness, that is off the tip.
That's funny.
That's enough.
That's good.
Let
That's funny.
Boogie do it.
Woo, that's funny.
Boogie don't try to show out because we don't.
Mom, be quiet, man.
I
He
don't
tell
even
me
want
be
to
quiet.
drive no more.
You don't want to drive?
No, I don't, Queen. I done drove it for. I'm just gonna sit here and let them do it.
Let them do it.
Let them do that.
What you thought, Tika? Hold on, I gotta get you. What you thought, Tika?
I was scared. I was
Are you getting in the back?
Experienced one.
Oh, wait a minute. Oh.